another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing what I eat in a day to lose weight. I did a video like this last week. You guys seem to really enjoy it. It really helps to keep me motivated when I'm sharing with you guys what I'm eating in a day. So I decided to do it again this week. Let me know how often you guys would like to see these videos. I really am enjoying sharing them with you. So right now we're going to be doing them just once or twice a week, I think. But moving forward, I would definitely be interested in sharing more often. So just let me know what you guys think. I don't want it to be overkill. I don't want to overdo it. But I do find it super helpful and motivating to film these videos for you guys. So before we get into what I'm eating today, let's go ahead and go over a couple of stats that you probably need to know. For one, I am currently using the Weight Watchers green plan to help me lose weight. I joined at the beginning of the month, so we are now in, I think, the third week of healthy eating. I've had 2 weigh-ins. It's going really well. I'm loving it so far. I start out each day with 43 smart points, and I can use those points to, help me decide what I'm going to eat in a day. Try to keep it as healthy as possible while still enjoying, lots of yummy stuff. And I start out each week with 42 weeklies. So that's kind of the parameters that I need to meet in order to lose weight based on my height and weight and all of that. So that's what we are working with. I'm really excited to share with you what I'm eating today, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, you guys, I am getting started with breakfast this morning. I have my coffee here, and in my coffee today, I added, should have been prepared for this, but I'm not, 4 tablespoons of half and half. This is how I've been drinking my coffee for the last couple of days. Still trying to find a way to keep it low in points, but still make it taste good. This is better than some of the other things I've tried. It's still not like my favorite, but I think I'll get used to it. So this is what I'm going to stick with for a while. This is just plain old half and half. I end up using a total of 4 tablespoons of this. So it's like 4 points, I think. Just like the last video. I'll put all the totals up on the screen. I'm not going to get into it in the video because I always get it wrong, but 4 tablespoons of half and half. I have 2 Splenda in here as well, and then I'm just having a 0-point banana. This is how I start my morning. Pretty much every morning I have a banana and coffee, and then I'll eat a little bit later. I don't like to have a huge breakfast first thing in the morning. But this is how I'm starting my day, and I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Alright, you guys, so here is a look at my lunch. I have one of the Lean Cuisine Vermont White Cheddar Mac and Cheese meals here. This is what the box looks like. I just cooked it up in my microwave and then put it here on my plate. Sorry about the shadows, you guys. It is so dark outside. We're getting snow. It's craziness. And then on the side there, along with my macaroni and cheese, I have one of the Sam's Choice chicken apple sausages. I was going to do tuna, and then I decided it didn't even sound good, so I need to use these sausages up. In fact, you might be seeing another one of these sausages at dinner time, because I have one left, and I've had them for quite a while, so I want to use them up. But I just sliced that into coins and cooked it up on a frying pan to brown it a little bit. They're fully cooked, so just wanted to heat it through, give it a little bit of color. And that is lunch for today. Alright, you guys, so here is a look at my dinner. I have 4 ounces of rotini pasta, just plain rotini, 2 servings worth. I have half a cup of marinara sauce mixed in there, and I also have 1 more of those chicken apple sausages. I told you guys you would be seeing these again. My family's having venison with their pasta, but I'm not the biggest fan, so I decided just to finish up my chicken apple sausage this way. I'm going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, not even enough to count, and that is going to be my dinner. Alright, you guys, so to wrap up my day, I had a dessert, and I totally forgot to film footage of it. It was a serving of angel food cake that I got just from like the Walmart bakery. I weighed out one serving, and then I added just a couple of tablespoons of whipped topping on there. You know, like Cool Whip almost, only it was the store brand. And that was delicious. I love angel food cake. Wasn't too high in points, so I got to enjoy a little bit of a dessert today. So it was really good. Alright, you guys, so that is a look at what I eat in a day. I stayed within my points. I did really well today. It was a great blue dot day. I'm so excited about that. One day closer to an excellent weigh-in come Tuesday when I weigh in. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know, because I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for your continued support. It means the world to me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.